The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information, call 417-335-3109. This pristine home located in Branson, Missouri is the home you won't want to leave. The phenomenal views of Lake Taneycomo and the rolling Ozark Mountains across the horizon right out your back door will take your breath away. You will feel like you're sitting on top of the world when relaxing on the expansive deck, complete with 11 by 24 covered area and additional wraparound uncovered areas. Need additional parking for your lake toys? Besides the 2-car garage, this home has an additional carport. Have a pet? No problem. Yard has underground electric fence with 2 collars included. Inside boasts soaring ceilings, open kitchen and dining with stainless steel appliances. 2 bedrooms, full bath and full-size laundry room on main level, primary suite upstairs with full bathroom, walk-in closet with custom shelving, and best of all, a 25 by 7.7 loft area perfect for second living area, office or other desire. Sellers have made many updates such as all new flooring, paint, fixtures, backsplash and bar design, new roof 2019, new heat pump/furnace 2021, new water heater 2020 and much more. Ask your realtor for complete list of updates and upgrades provided in documents. If you're looking to own in Branson but not be in the middle of the hustle, you will find serenity at this home. Call quick for your private showing.